Hello, boys and girls. I hope you are having a wonderful Wednesday and welcome back to Word of the Day. Make sure you have your paper from yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and turn mine over. Whoops, that's okay. Okay, so on the back side of your paper, you need to write your name and the date. So I'm going to get started writing my name. And today's date is April 29th, 2020. So we need to write 4-29-20. And then when you are ready, your word today is the word bad. Write the word bad. Writing the word bad. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, we're gonna get started. Here we go. Fingers up, stretch it out. Add, say it fast. Bad. Good, let's count how many. Ready? Add. 3, good. Okay, when I go to write it, what's the first sound? Making sure when we write letter B, we're gonna start all the way at the top. Big line down, up, belly around. Say the sounds with me. Letter A again. Good. Add. Letter D. So now we start with magic C. Line up and back down. Bad. Nice job, boys and girls. Now we need to think of some words that rhyme with bad. Remember, rhyming words means the same middle and ending sound. So in our word bad, we have add, bad. So we need words that are still gonna have add in it. Like add, mad, add, dad, add, sad. Okay, thinking of a rhyming word with bad. You have one? I'm gonna go with the word mad. To me, I think mad and bad, they kind of go together, plus they are rhyming words. Add, mad. Okay, next up is our sentence for today. I'm gonna say the sentence once, then we're gonna say it together, and then I want you to say it by yourself and count how many words are in our sentence. You ready? It's kind of a big one, so listen in close. I will not be bad for my mom. Let's say it together. I will not be bad for my mom. Okay, count how many words. Try it by yourself. Are you ready? Let's check it together. Here we go. I will not be bad for my mom. 5 and 3, how many is that? 8, good job, boys and girls. Here we go. We're gonna start all the way at the side under our other words, and our first word is I. Every time we write I by itself, how do we write it? Capital letter. Look, when I write letter I take up 2 lines. We have to think of 2 lines for our ceiling, our stairs, and our floor. Okay, what comes next? I will. Will is a sight word. How do we write it? I hope you said W-I-L-L. Make sure you have space, man. Okay, let's read it. I will not. Not is another sight word. How do we write not? N-O-T. Good. N-O-T. Not. I will not B, good. It's not just the letter B. How do we write our sight word B? B-E, good, boys and girls. Okay, let's read it. I will not be bad, our word of the day. Remember, when we run out of room on our line, we need to drop to the next line and go all the way over. I'm gonna write our word of the day, bad. Read it with me, here we go. I will not be bad for. Another sight word. I hope these sight words are still being so easy for you like they were in class. How do we write for? F-O-R. Good, writing it for. Let's read it again. I will not be bad for my. How do we write my? It's a sight word. M-Y. Good. M-Y. My. One more time. I will not be bad for my. Yeah, in my sentence I said mom, but if you want to write dad or grandma or sister or brother, you could write anybody in your family. I don't really have a lot of room here, so I'm going to go down one more line and I'm going to write mom. What do we need at the end of a sentence? Period. Good. Let's read it together. Ready? I will not be bad for my mom. Making sure you read it to one other person in your family, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.